Is it permissible for me to be like rude to my mother? Because my mother like mows or like talk like not like a girl like like not a good girl, like a hoe, like hit her. So if I like talk to her respectfully, I will maybe masturbate and think of her and like that. So is it permissible to be rude and disrespectful?
I don't understand your question, Akhi. You're asking about the ruling on speaking rudely to your mom. Is there any justification?
Like, is it permissible to do that if my mom speaks like a way that I like? So I maybe will do not zina with her, but maybe masturbate. So I need to.
If your mom masturbates?
No. Like she talks like in a way that I like that, and yeah, like a way. And if I like respectful, if I be respectful to her, at least what he says carefully like that, I will maybe think of her and.
Oh no! This is sick, totally sick, coming from you. And there is no justification for your evil thoughts, or for you allowing Shaitan to penetrate your head like this and make you think in such a filthy way of your mother. And the only means of stopping yourself from thinking this filthy way is to speak rudely to her. A'udhu billah. Two wrongs don't make a right. You should either get counseling or therapy. I don't understand how a Muslim could reach this level. Even if you're addicted to pornography, nothing reaches this level. A'udhu billah. A Muslim does this. Maybe it's the country, I don't know. But definitely you're sick. You're mentally ill, and you're not a real Muslim. Thinking of talking to her rude to curb and stop such filthy thoughts is not a legitimate reason. If you have such filthy thoughts and you cannot block them, pack your bags and leave and go live somewhere else, and let your mom wear the hijab and let her treat you as a non-mahram, because this is not normal, akhi. Da'udu billah, I don't know, I've never heard, well, I've heard, but not to that extremity. May Allah preserve us. Even animals don't have such thoughts of their own moms.